Hello, my friend.
Hello.
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 Hi.
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 Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
What's your name?
My name is Ahmed.
Ahmed, nice to meet you. My name is Dawn.
Nice to meet you, Amy.
Where are you from? If I
I'm
may
from.
ask?
I'm from Iraq.
Oh, okay. That's wonderful. I have some neighbors from Iraq, and I've worked with another family that was from Iraq with their English. So you guys are very nice people.
What's your name?
Well, my name's Kylie. I'm from the United States.
But it was so good to see you again. It's been
Thank
a
you
long
so
time.
much.
Sure.
Thank
Okay.
you so much. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
You
It was
are
great
very
to meet you
talkative.
today.
Thank you.
Thank you. You too. Thanks, Ahmed. See you next time. Bye.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Thank you so much, Becca, for your
Yeah,
time.
it was so
I
nice
really
seeing
enjoyed
you again. I hope I get to see you again soon.
soon. Thank you.
Right.
Have a good
No
day.
problem. You too. Bye.
Bye bye.